My name is Nicola Palterman and I'm based in Neath and I'm the co-owner of a jewellery business called Jewel and Grace.
Nick and I have both got skills in traditional and contemporary making. I trained at Central St Martin's in London and Nick trained in Birmingham, the heart of jewellery making.
So basically we were contacted just prior to Christmas by the chair of the Urdd Eisteddfod this year. The Urdd is based in Morgannwg this year, so they wanted a local designer to design and create the crown. So we were recommended and had a meeting the beginning of January, and it all stemmed from there really. Well, as a proud Welsh person, it's something that's a great honour really, but this is certainly amongst one of the ones we're proud of, certainly. So the design sort of inspiration comes from the title really. The title is dyma'r, which is steel and sea. So the construction of the crown, I didn't really want to do any soldering because obviously there's steel in it as well, so it was quite difficult to solder the steel. And because I've incorporated the silver with it, I decided to pick up the sort of industrial element of the South Wales area, and instead of having the solder joins, I've literally riveted all the pieces together with very tiny screws. There's a crest of a wave as the main part of the crown, and I've just dotted a few small white diamonds in that just to give it an extra little sparkle, which is again what our business is about.
So it's great that we have customers far and wide across Wales because the Eisteddfod Genedlaethol is in Morgannwg this year. It's a great opportunity to be doing the crown this year. It's a great honour for Jewel and Grace.